Yes. Out of all the storm chasing games I've played over the years, including Project Oklahoma, this one is definitely the best. In terms of graphics and running efficiency, that is. But I must say, when I was an admin for Project Oklahoma, it was pretty fun, but the game just do the same thing every day. You just spawn storms for people. That's all you do. Storm? What? Huh? Oh! Oh! I don't know what those are. I think those are big blue lines. Starbucks? That's where girls go to get coffee and complain about not getting their Frappuccino caramel extra whipped cream or whatever. What? That's offensive. I can't include that. Oh no. Anyways. Top Gear is awesome. I want to get right up in this area, so I'm going to get off at this next exit. That's the dirt. No, we'll keep the graphical effects on, unless it causes extreme lag, which it does cause extreme lag. See, this Matthew guy right here, he knows what to do. See, he's gaming. This guy says he sees a funnel cloud. This guy's saying it's a wall cloud. If you're on lower graphics, then you'll very clearly be able to see a funnel. Okay, now this guy's just being a trilolol. Actually. Looks like we're a group of 4. Oh. Touchdown! 4 points for Northeast! Oh, we're in these trees, too. This is what I like. Oh, that's a big one, too. That's no drill bit. No, it's not gonna hit the town. Another storm. What? Oh, God, there is another storm. Oh, that is oh, that's a great. Oh, man, that is. Woo! That's a keeper. That's a good picture. Wind speeds at 6, 7. Wind speeds are 40. Damn. Fuck it. Let's go. Oh, yeah. Lame. I don't think it's dying yet, though. Could hit Sealiva, but I don't think it will. Just want to head north and get out of here. I get to edit this down. That's gonna be fun. But yeah, Twisted, yesterday at one point I saw it had like 600 players. I don't think I've ever seen a storm chasing game like this have that many players. Silent Thunder, that game did not have. That game had no more than 20. Project Oklahoma, highest I've ever seen it was like 90. Oh, here it is. Oh, here we go. It's a drill bit for sure. Probably 110 or so. Looks like it's not doing any damage. It's not in a suburb yet, though. 70. Oh, no. I see pieces of house flying. For sure, I'm 20 plus. I'm on the outskirts and it's 70. Oh, that's a damage to that gas station. Do I dare go inside the debris cloud? I'm gonna say that's a bad idea. I'm gonna do it anyway. 80. 80. let's see. I don't want to get to 100. I'm gonna head towards this third one. Hey, it's better than it bouncing back for no reason. Ow. Oh wow, trees are snapped and uprooted. I'd say EF1, maybe EF2. No, probably you. Did it turn? That's EF. I'm pretty sure red means it's EF4, but I have no idea. Oh, yep, it's an EF4. Well, probably EF3 actually. That's a red, or a dark red. Have to go edit it, which will take an hour and a half, because this is 20 minutes of footage. I'm probably just gonna cut out the parts where I'm driving, because that's really boring, like this.